Hey guys, Austin here at XL Motorsports. I just wanted to do a quick walk around on this 2025 Polaris Ranger 1000 Crew. Now this machine, we installed a full cab system on it. This is one of the cheaper routes with the canvas doors, but it's still got a full glass windshield and glass back panel. This customer also installed a wiper kit, rear view mirror, and a heater as well. These canvas doors are a great product. Definitely a lot cheaper price point than the hard doors you can get. Still work great. Nice actions to open them up. Full zipper windows. We'll still get that nice tight seal. Keep you nice and dry and warm in your machine. So definitely check them out. I mean, for a Ranger 1000 Crew, you can get these for like 2,500 bucks. Definitely a very competitive price point compared to the hard doors. Definitely work great on these machines. Even the back doors have a great fitment, good seal on them. Now you can still access and open the back panels as well, just with these zippers here. You can open right up. So very slick setup. Call us if you guys want any information on them. We usually keep a lot of stuff in stock. If we have to order it, we can get it in a pretty timely manner. So feel free to give us a call, 315-691-6916.